Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hey, what's up guys, Anurag here, and this is Android Oreo on the OnePlus 3T. So without any further ado, let's just check what are the new things that we get in this ROM. So yeah, let's get started. Now OnePlus has been always curious about sending software updates to their devices as early as possible, and even with the 3T being discontinued, they have done it. They have upgraded it to the latest version of Android, that is Android Oreo. And this is not a beta build or anything like that. This is the final version of the Android Oreo that they have released for the OnePlus 3T. Now the first time you boot it up, the most noticeable change that you're going to see is the OnePlus launcher. There is no open to app drawer button anymore on the bottom. Now you just have to swipe up to access the app drawer, just like the Google Pixel. And it's good to see that OnePlus is trying to bring the latest things to their devices as early as possible. Now this being an Android Oreo update, you're going to get all the Oreo features that you would get on stock Android, and no feature is dumped because Oxygen OS is pretty close to stock Android. So we'll check these features bit by bit now. Now the first and the most interesting feature of this whole update is my favorite, parallel apps. Now you might have come across an application called as Parallel Space on the Play Store, which helps you to clone different applications. Well, that's the same, except you don't have to download Parallel Space in case you want to get parallel apps. And this feature comes in really handy. For example, you have two accounts for your Twitter, your personal account and an account that you use for your office work. So you can log into both of these accounts using parallel apps. That's a pretty cool feature and I really love it. Next up, we have got picture-in-picture mode, which is my second favorite feature. So you might have seen Samsung devices doing this before, but now it has come to stock Android and it is really helpful. Now sadly you can't run this on YouTube unless you have a YouTube Red subscription, but this does work on other applications like Google Maps. If you are navigating to some place, then if you hit the home button, the map shrinks down and it floats on your home screen, and you can move it anywhere you want, or you can also maximize it whenever you want. So that is a very interesting feature that Android Oreo brings with it, and as I said, second favorite feature on the whole update. Another awesome feature that Android Oreo brings with it is called Smart Text Selection. For example, you want to copy down an address, so you long press on it, then you get the copy and cut options. Now on Android Oreo, you also get the Maps option. Now once you click on Maps, it will take you to the Maps application and show exactly where that place is. Not only that, if you have a phone number as well, if you long press on that, it will show you the phones option, and then you can directly hit that and it will take you to phone dialer, and from there you can dial that number. So it's a pretty cool option and helps to save a ton of time. As I said in the beginning, the OnePlus launcher has been updated as well, and here are some new features that you get with the OnePlus launcher. So the first major change is notification dots. So for example, you receive a message on WhatsApp and then you want to go to that conversation directly. So what you do is long press on the WhatsApp icon and then it shows you the conversation right through the assistive touch. Also, this has been improved on many other applications, and much more applications are being made compatible for this feature to work. Also, the folders background has been changed, so now you have a transparent background instead of a background with solid white color. So yeah, that was Android Oreo on the OnePlus 3T. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to hit 300 before the end of 2017, so a like and subscribe would be really appreciated. With that being said, this is Anurag here and I'm signing out. Peace.